The Oral-B cross-action toothbrush is the most sold battery-powered electric toothbrush on Amazon in India. It's got a very good rating, and with around 22,000 global ratings and reviews, I just had to check it out. Also, personally, it's one of the most common battery-powered electric toothbrushes I've seen people out there, so it's got a lot of writing for it. The brush comes in an old school packaging, which I really like. You have to trace your finger and pierce the packaging. Open the flaps in a gentle manner and then remove the toothbrush. Thumbs up to Oral-B for providing such a unique protective case. Also, love this Nanfeng battery design they have given with this brush. A strong point of this toothbrush is how solid it feels. It has a white shiny plastic body with rubber gripping at the front and the back to help you hold it better. On the front we have the Oral-B branding, and at the back we have cross-action embedded on the grip. The bottom part houses a AA battery. To access it, you have to rotate and remove the lower part. There is an on and off button in the middle. Good thing is that the brush head is replaceable, so after every few months you can replace using a refill head. When we talk about the bristle head, it's got a unique design. The upper part is a rotating power head, while the lower part has powered crisscross bristles. Honestly, the upper part doesn't rotate, it just vibrates. There are 4 holes at the back for the water to escape. It's good to have them, but I feel they act like a trap where dirt and other not so nice stuff gets stuck in them. Overall, it's very comfortable to use and built like a tank. This is a simple pick up and use, no nonsense toothbrush. There is no IP rating, no multiple modes, no 30-second interval timer, no 2-minute auto shut timer. None. And when it comes to battery, it uses AA replaceable batteries, something which I'm not a fan of in 2022. Battery life will easily get you around a month, after which you have to keep replacing your batteries. Also, no battery indicator. And when we shift our focus to its cleaning performance, I would say it was average at best. Special mention to the noise it creates. It's like a tractor, the loudest I've heard a toothbrush make. The Oral-B crisscross toothbrush was undoubtedly a great toothbrush when it launched a few years back. But the situation has changed now. The competition has become fierce now, with other companies offering tons of features for just a few hundred rupees more. You can buy one on Amazon for rupees 500 and will have to shell out another 250 rupees for a pack of 2 replaceable brush heads. If you insist only on buying an Oral-B toothbrush without spending a lot, check out my review on the Oral-B Vitality 100, which is a much better option than this, but it's double the cost. And that's it from me in this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, happy brushing.